Meaning of first cost.
First cost.
First cost.
First cost.
First cost. The term first cost refers to the initial expense or investment required to purchase a product or construct a project. It may include the cost of materials, labor, equipment, and any other expenses needed to bring the product or project into existence or to start its operation. The first cost is an important factor in assessing the overall economic feasibility of a project or product, but it does not take into consideration long-term operating costs or potential revenue streams. Therefore, it is often used as a starting point for cost analysis, but it should be considered in conjunction with other financial metrics to determine the true value of the investment.